As we close off May, I want to first say thank you to every merchant, entrepreneur, and supporter who continues building with QuintPay. The month reminded us once again how powerful consistency, community, and innovation really are. We have seen businesses growing, entrepreneurs learning, communities supporting one another, and merchants continuing to push forward despite the challenges. But we are not slowing down. June is going to bring more education, more business growth content, more features, more entrepreneurial support, and continued innovation focused on helping lenders operate smarter and grow stronger. At QuintPay, we remain committed to building systems, tools, and communities that help entrepreneurs create sustainable success. Momentum is a powerful thing, and when momentum combines with discipline, focus, and vision, incredible things happen. The future is exciting, and we are only getting started. Be blessed. We'll see you in the month of June.